This video you will see how to insert draft watermark in Word on Mac on your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. To insert draft watermark, you need to click here on the design tab and you will see here the option of watermark. Just click on this option to open the watermark window. Right now it is selected no watermark, so there is no watermark. You can see the preview here. To add draft watermark, you need to select this option text, and as soon as you select the option text, you will be able to select here the option of draft. After selecting the draft, you can see the preview. You can change the font if you want to. For example, we will select here Arial font, and then you can make it bold as well. You can change the draft color to red from here, and you can select the transparency as well. After selecting the transparency, select you want horizontal or diagonal. So I am selecting here diagonal, and once everything is done, just click on OK. This is how you can insert draft watermark in Word on Mac on all the pages in Microsoft Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word on Mac quickly. See you again in the next one.